Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Sarvesh Kutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's long-term wealth partner. So today is a case study about Mr. Ashok, one of our clients. His age is 29. He's working in Mumbai in an IT company, and we are doing an case study on one of the goals of Mr. Ashok, that is for his son Riyansh, who is 3 years old, and the plan is to have an investment for next 19 years for international education at the age of 22, because by the time Riyansh will be 18 years old, he will be in 12th standard. After that, 4 years of graduation, and post that he can plan to go outside of India for his master's degree. Okay, so now let's come to auriswealth.com, and in this we will go to our calculators section. Now we'll go to the education and loans section. In this we have a specific calculator for child's education planner. Okay, now if you know in your family, if somebody has gone in the recent times to the US or anywhere else for their higher studies, typically for US the cost is about 1 crore to 1.5 crores. That is what is the current expense in terms of your tuition fee, your staying expenses. All of these combined, it's around 1 to 1.5 crores depending on which state you are having your masters. Let's take it on the higher side, because whenever we are looking at planning, we need to consider a little higher in terms of estimates. Okay, and as we saw, as Riyansh is 3 years old, we have around 19 years to invest. Okay, the next step we have to understand is the inflation cost. So typically the inflation cost is anywhere between 8 to 12%. Then we have to also consider dollar depreciation. Dollar typically, rupee depreciation, not dollar depreciation, rupee depreciation. Recent times rupee has depreciated a lot, but typically we have seen historically that around 4% is the rupee depreciation. So we'll take around 12% inflation rate. Okay, so over 19 years we can consider actual inflation plus rupee depreciation approximately 12%. And then, because we have a long investment horizon, considering that Mr. Ashok will continue his SIP without stopping consistently, then we can consider a little higher in terms of returns. We can basically consider around 14% CAGR. Okay, so the future cost of education will be around 12.92 crore rupees 19 years from now. So what's costing about 1.5 crores today, 19 years from now it will cost around 12.92 crores, considering all of these calculation, that is 12% inflation and expected return of 14%. And based on that, the SIP needed today is around 1,13,900 rupees. So approximately 1,14,000 rupees. Now this is flat SIP, which means that this doesn't have any step up component in it. So let's look at the step up component. How much will be the amount if we do an step up SIP? So we'll start the calculation with 50,000 rupees and see what the amount comes. We will increase the SIP amount by 10% every year, and the expected return we will keep at 14%, and the time period is 19 years. So the total investment comes to around 3 crore 7 lakh rupees, and the future wealth comes to around 10.45 crore rupees, as you can see over here. But our target is around 13 crores, so you'll have to increase the SIP a little bit. So we'll make it say around 70,000 rupees, and now you can see the target, the amount comes to 14.63 crores. So we'll make it let's say 65,000, and here we have our target, which is achieved at 13.58 crores, which is just a little bit higher than the required amount for the loan, for the higher education purpose. Okay, now a lot of people say that why not just go and take education loan, but the problem is that if you take education loan, you are starting up your child with a liability in their life. Okay, many families do it and people have successfully achieved that, but a lot of parents don't want to go on that route. They don't want their kids to have the burden of education loan right out of the starting of the career, so they can plan their child's education in this manner. Okay, now remember, these are estimates for children who want to go outside of India for studies, maybe 10-15 years. In this case for Riyansh it is around 19 years from now, but this amount will keep on changing in terms of whether you want to do education in India itself, or you want to do a medical degree or a pilot degree, or any particular degree. And based on that, we have to look at the current expenditure that is there in the today's time. Based on that, we have to also consider the inflation rate. If it is outside of India, we have to consider rupee depreciation, and then we have to consider the expected the returns per year, and also how many years uh, is there for this particular goal to get achieved. And this is how we come at a realistic figure of how much SIP we have to do at this current juncture in order to achieve our goal. Okay, so this is how in a proper manner we do goal planning. Now I'm 100% sure that a lot of people will feel that these amounts are very big, but imagine if you don't start planning today, and 10 years, 15 years, 20 years from now, if your child says that I want to go to the US to study, in that situation, a lot of parents go into a lot of stress, financial stress, and eventually, if they don't want their children to take education loan, they end up selling their own house or their investment house, and even dangerous is that they end up giving money to the child from their retirement income or their retirement corpus. Okay, so I think instead of going into a financial trap and the end of the decision making cycle, it is better to plan today if you have the time to do that. Okay, so this is how we do goal based investing for our clients based on their life goals, aspirations, etc. Okay, so if you also want us to create goal based investing for you, and through those goals you can invest in a safe and secured manner in our Auris Wealth web application and mobile application, you can connect with us for a free investment discussion and wealth portfolio review online. You have to click the link in the description box below, and you can select the date and time which is the most conducive for you. Okay, or you can just come to our auriswealth.com website. The link you will find in the description box below. Click over here on schedule a free review. You will be taken to this particular page, which is the Calendly page. In that, you can just select the date and time. Let's say you want to have a meeting at 9:30, then you have to put your name, email, phone number, how much you're wanting to invest, what is the corpus, city of residence, and then click on schedule event, and automatically your meeting with us, your online portfolio review and investment discussion with us will be scheduled. Okay, so go ahead, take the first step in your long-term wealth creation journey under professional guidance of Auris Wealth from booking your free portfolio investment guidance discussion today itself. If you found this video valuable, do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, doubts or thoughts, share it with us in the comment section below. Thank you.